Hi everyone, welcome back to Network Guru. Create a WhatsApp broadcast list but can't find it? No worries, in this video I'll show you exactly where to locate your broadcast list so you can manage and send messages effortlessly. Let's get started. Your broadcast lists are saved in WhatsApp, but they can be easy to overlook. Here is how you can quickly find them. Open the WhatsApp app. Find the settings in the down right corner, tap on it, and find broadcast messages. Tap on it. Here you'll find all your saved broadcast list. Once you open a list, you can send a message, edit contacts, or create a new list. If you can't find my broadcast list, make sure you have at least one active broadcast list. If you accidentally delete the chat, recreate the list. Remember, recipients must have your number saved to receive messages. That's it. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.